Matt's getting a facial. That's Bandito giving
This is
Matt
a facial on a dog budget. Yep.
Yeah. 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 His face is dirty.
Oh, this side. There we go. Yeah, get around my eyes. They're starting to show age. Yeah, wrinkles on the forehead from being married. Oh, God.
And he can keep on going.
Yes, he can. It's like
And
a
then there's
45-minute
another
facial.
little puppy right here. Look at that little face. Just sleeping. Sleeping away. And yes, he's still going.
Help. Okay.